Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So guys, in this video I am going to talk about the common mistake that I have done before starting my YouTube journey or before starting my speaking English. And I think these are the common mistakes that every new learner does while he speaking English journey. So in this video I am just want to talk about what are these mistakes that I have done in my speaking English while my speaking English journey and how you can improve your speaking skill. So the number one mistake is that I have done that listen too much content in English. When you will think that you are going to start your speaking English journey, at that time there are so many person who suggest you to always listen content English, always English content we have to listen to improve our speaking English skill. So it's very important because listening is one of the aspects of speaking English and it really help you to improve yourself. But if you are listening too much content in English but don't apply that things in your spoken English, that will not help you in any way. So when if you are listening English, so one thing, please don't listen too much content. Listen only relevant and specific content and try to utilize all these things in your daily life or in your conversation. The second one is to start your speaking English before knowing the basic knowledge of grammar. You know, we can speak English without grammar, but we cannot speak English if we don't know the tenses, because English is not our native language. And if we don't know how to speak, means how to frame the structure of the sentence, then it's been really difficult for you to speak English. The next mistake that I have done, that is too much focus on grammatical portion. No doubt we cannot speak English without grammar, but it doesn't mean that we have to put all our effort on grammatical portion. Means we have to learn verb, adverb, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections, each and everything. As far as speaking English is concerned, there are very few topics that is important to learn. Basic tenses, we should have a basic knowledge of tenses, all three tenses. It's very important, because without tenses you cannot take your step in this journey. Fine. So basic knowledge of tenses is very important. After that you have to learn specific things in your speaking English. Come to the next one, that is the hesitation. I think this is also one of the biggest problem that every new learner faces, because sometimes we know what in which situation what we have to say or what we have to talk, but it's only our hesitation that we are not be able to speak in front of others. There are so many people who say that I can understand English but I can't speak. But if you can understand English, definitely you can speak. But it's your hesitation that you are not be able to speak in the front of other. The next common mistake that every new learner does, that is, when I will become perfect, then I'll speak. So this is a very big mistake that I have done, because but with the meantime I analyze that you cannot improve yourself if you are focusing on your grammar, if you talk to yourself. It's very very important that you should speak from your mouth. Words come out from your mouth. It's very very important. Until words are not coming out from your mouth, the other person are not listening. It may be your ears, if your ears not listening, listen these things, how you can improve yourself. So these are the common mistake that I have done while my speaking English journey, and I hope you, if you are in the speaking English journey and it may be you are doing the same mistakes, but I think it's only a thing that will help you, that your practice. Speak a lot. Listen very limited content, but try to speak all that things you have to utilize in your daily life. Don't focus on grammatical portion too much. Learn only basic concept that are essential for your speaking English. And always try to speak, always think in English. It's very very important. If you follow all these steps in positive manner, and the very very important thing that your first step is very very important. Take your first step toward this journey, and definitely one day you will achieve your destiny. Thank you. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.